In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcut for delete in Gmail. First, open your browser and search for Gmail. Type Gmail into the search bar, then look at the results page. You want the official Gmail link from Google, which usually appears at the top and mentions Google Mail. Click that link to open the Gmail sign-in page where you will see fields for email and password along with the Next button. Now on the sign-in page, enter your email address or your phone number in the box in the center. Take a second to make sure there are no extra spaces because those can cause login errors. Then click the Next button just below that field. After you click, the page will reload and you will see the password field appear. Next, enter your password and click Next. Type your password carefully since you will only see dots instead of the real characters. Then click the Next button again. If Gmail asks for extra verification, like a passkey or a one-time PIN, follow the prompt on the screen and confirm. Once everything is correct, you will land inside your Gmail inbox with your emails listed in the center. With your inbox open, click the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear near your profile picture. When you click it, a panel will slide open from the right side of the screen showing several quick settings options. This is where you can adjust how Gmail behaves. From there, choose See All Settings. This link appears near the top of that panel. Click it once and the view will change to the full settings page, which has several tabs across the top, like General, Labels, and Inbox. You should automatically land on the General tab. On the General tab, scroll down until you find the Keyboard Shortcuts section. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right to move down the page. As you scroll, you will pass sections like Language and Conversation View. Keep going until you see a heading labeled Keyboard Shortcuts with options for on and off. At this point, select the radio button for Keyboard Shortcuts on. Click the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts on so the circle is filled. This tells Gmail to listen for shortcut keys on your keyboard. Then scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. The page will reload and return you to your inbox view, confirming your new setting is active. Once enabled, go back to your inbox or any folder and select the email you want to delete. You can click directly on the small checkbox to the left of the message. The row will highlight, showing that the email is selected and ready for an action. You can select more than one email if you want to delete several at once. Now press the number sign key, which is Shift and 3. This instantly moves the selected email or emails to your trash bin, and they disappear from the current list. You will see a brief message at the bottom of the screen confirming the move to trash. You have now turned on Gmail keyboard shortcuts and used the delete shortcut to move emails to trash. If this helped you clear out your inbox faster, a quick thumbs up would be awesome, and you can subscribe as a light way to catch future tips.